How to use Google Maps in satellite view. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use Google Maps in your satellite view, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To basically use Google Maps on satellite view, open up the Google Maps application here. Currently you can see we're in a normal view, so to next time start from satellite view, tap on your Google profile from the top right, then just go to settings. After you go to settings, just scroll down. One of the options here you'll see is start maps in satellite view, which uses more data. So if you're using mobile data, I wouldn't recommend it. Now once you've done that, next time whenever you open up Google Maps, you'll most likely see it in a satellite view here. And this way you can go ahead and then use Google Maps in satellite view. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.